journey and what is the objective, and then I'll request director sir to speak few words, and then he'll flag off the march, cycling march.
Okay. So, good morning everyone, and I really thank you for coming. And you know that we are observing Swachhata Pakhwada in Niger. From 11th March we started, and it will continue up to 24th of March. And every day we are doing some event. And today we are doing a cycling with a purpose. We are going to Daya River, and Daya River, you would know that the Kalinga War was fought on the bank of Daya River near Dhauli, and it is said that Daya River became red, with blood during the Kalinga War. And but today the river has become black. Okay, so the natural color should be blue, right? And because in fact there was time when I had taken bath in that river when I was a student in PN College, Khordha. That was in 2000. Okay? And but now the river has become polluted, and it has drawn a lot of media attention also in the state, and even National Pollution Control Board also has indicated this. And this river starts from one of part of branch of Mahanadi from Cuttack, and then Bhubaneswar, and then it collects the drain water from Bhubaneswar, and it goes to Chilka. So it ends at Chilka Lake. And since the river has become polluted, the local people are also affected by this, because earlier fishermen used to catch fish, then this water used to be used for drinking purpose. In fact, for Jatni municipality, Jatni NAC, the water used to come from that Daya river where we are going exactly. But now the water has become polluted, water has also now dried up. No, there is water, but then it is not sufficient. So we are going to basically raise some awareness through this cycling program that save Daya river. And then we will also collect signatures from the villagers of Kakudia, and we will collect signature from Niger people, and we will submit this memorandum to the Chief Minister of Odisha once we come back. So with that purpose we are doing, and I now would request our director to speak a few words.
Good morning everybody. Today is a special day basically to save water in the river in this country. You remember thousands of years back, water was the real source of drinking water. People used to drink, and later on industrializations take place, and we are just polluting water. If you go any foreign country, Western world, if you go there, you will find that water is a very beautiful place where rivers are flowing. You can see the fishes and all this, and you feel good actually. But on the contrary, in this country, we actually pollute the water in the rivers, and finally there are a lot of flora and fauna. They get destroyed. As he was telling that Daya River is a very historic river. The Kalinga War was conducted, and then I should not say conducted. Due to Kalinga War, a lot of bloodshed was there. So now the water color actually changed as he suggested. So there is a time like we should at least we should tell the government that government should do something, because the stop industry waste actually stop it. Only government can play a role. Common public they cannot do it until government take a lead role. So today after reaching there, we'll interact with the villagers, and there will be a signature campaign, and eventually we'll request the Chief Minister of Odisha. So the government should do something to save that water of Daya, and I'm sure finally it will be succeeded. Although I know it's a very difficult story, whether it will be done within a year or two, but if the awareness goes, I think government has to think seriously, and then eventually it will be done. Thank you very much.
3, 2, 1, go!
लोग जाएंगे चल के सब 40 किलोमीटर बोट राइड होगा, चिल्का जा सकते हैं इसमें।
You know, I'm going to meet Dharmendra Pradhan sometime. Okay. I'll tell this story actually.
हाँ anyway, we'll discuss there also near the village. So he'll get some people from the village. There is.
वो लोग आ रहे हैं क्या?
नहीं इधर नहीं, वो लोग साइक्लोन शेल्टर से उधर आएंगे।
I feel so sad actually. बहुत दुख लग रहा है।
आओ पास आ जाओ।
हाँ जाओ। So था कि मैं यहाँ नहा था जो 2000 में, तो मैं यहाँ ही नहाया था 2000 में, और पानी बहुत होता था, ऊपर होता था और पानी पूरा साफ होता था और फ्लोइंग पता भी चलता था। अभी तो फ्लो भी पता भी नहीं चला कि पानी कहाँ जा रही है, पूरा काला भी हो गया और इतना बदबू आ रहा है। तो हम कोविड से पहले इसी गांव को आए थे और वाटर सैंपल कलेक्ट किए थे। और ये जो हमारे जर्नलिस्ट है मिस्टर राजकिशोर स्वाई, एक्चुअली ही इज़ द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पूरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट मीडिया प्रेस एसोसिएशन, प्रेस क्लब. So he had also come, and he also reported this widely in all newspapers that Niger students are doing this. But this was part of our H205 course. Okay, that year I had brought the students. Unfortunately, you people did not get that opportunity to go anywhere. But the students had collected water sample from 3 locations, and then they only submitted the assignment for their marks.
But that sample means that was tested.
Tested, yes.
Okay. And what was the report?
Pollution was there actually. So,
You don't need to really do it laboratory test.
exactly.
Your level is so high.
And this time
I think all metal contamination will be there. All kind of other polluted
laboratory tested हुआ था, तो 100 ml वाटर में 1,60,000
इक्वल। और इस बार हम वो करने की नहीं सोचे इसलिए कि उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट का जो पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड है, तो उसने ही एक रिपोर्ट प्रस्तुत किया है कि, और उसमें बताया गया है कि इसमें पॉल्यूशन लेवल ऑलरेडी बहुत है, ज़्यादा ही है। तो और उसके लिए एक्शन प्लान भी वो लोग गवर्नमेंट ऑफ उड़ीसा ने भी बनाया है। तो इसलिए मैं सोचा कि और वाटर सैंपल कलेक्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट का रिपोर्ट है हम, और इसमें क्या कर तो लेकिन इस बार हम ये कर रहे हैं कि वो जो ये जो गांव है उसका काकुड़िया गांव है, तो उसी गांव से हम सिग्नेचर लेंगे लोगों के साथ, अभी थोड़ा बात भी करेंगे। ये हमारे साथ जो टीचर हैं तो अब तपन है ना, हाँ तपन है, तपन, तो वो हमारे गाँव लोगों के साथ हम डिस्कशन करेंगे। और उनका एक हम पिटीशन लेके भी आए हैं एड्रेसिंग टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर, तो उसमें गाँव लोगों का सिग्नेचर रहेगा। और उसके साथ हम नाइजर में भी आज से सिग्नेचर कलेक्शन करेंगे, तो लगभग 1000 सिग्नेचर हम कलेक्शन करेंगे। करके हम चीफ मिनिस्टर को डायरेक्टर हम शायद
Yeah,
पर्सनली जाके
we'll
मीट करेंगे,
personally meet.
personal meet and tell them. In fact, see the proposals that you can give is that if imagine if you clean this river, many of you if you have gone to some foreign countries you might have seen, इसमें हम बोटिंग भी कर सकते हैं. And imagine no the boat starts from Bhubaneswar and people go to Chilka through this river. It will be so beautiful, right? And then if the water is clean, then people can catch fish, and this water is also used for irrigation. Now biomagnification.
Yeah.
This water goes to the plants and then we eat those things. So all these toxics enter into our food chain. So again the fish also. So director sir was telling that if we get the fish from this river, then imagine what would be the situation. Again the biomagnification, right? Problem. So that is why we thought this time actually during Swachhata Pakhwada, we thought that we should really do something to save this river. Okay, so I will request our director to speak a few words about this. What do Niger students can do?
Yeah, I
about
mean,
this?
first let me tell you, I'm very, very sad to see this. I just remember I was in Berlin and there is a river called Spree River, and they communicate also within the city. Even Hitler also used to communicate from his office to whatever he used to stay. And if you see that river, and you can see a lot of restaurants are there, and you can see the fishes, and there are so beautiful trees, and you feel very good actually. The river, something is very important. One of the ecology is balance it, both flora and fauna. And this, I don't know, I mean, people of Odisha should think it very seriously. I am also from outside, but right now I feel like I am also Odia person, and I feel very sad. This river is, situation is so bad. I mean, finally I feel that government should take serious action, and finally, like as you were telling that, we can go by boat to Chilka Lake. That will be a wonderful journey. So that will be, there are a lot of, avenues will open up. People will be coming here. There will be a nice place. They can take it and go there and come back. So in this area, people will be very happy. And bottom line is that the villagers, what they are getting, all kind of diseases, that should be stopped. Governments really took a very stern action. Whatever they have to do, we do not know actually what they should do. We as a scientist, we can tell the water is not usable. So much of E. coli and metal ions are there, which is very bad for health. We cannot do more than that, but definitely we can take this message or information and the situation, the ground realities to the administration, even Chief Minister of Odisha, and try to request to solve this issue earliest possible. And maybe before I leave this place, once I'm done, maybe here there will be beautiful place will be there. Sometimes we'll be coming here and they'll do the boating, and that's kind of by through boat we can go to Chilka. That's my dream. That I hope the dream come true. And thank you very much. I mean, I must tell all the students, all the numbers we expect a little more, but I must thank all of you. You came for a great cause, which is very, very important. See, we do study, we get a job, we work for it. We live in a very different stage of the society. You do not need to feel this. Think about the villagers. I'm also come from a village. Happens to be through studies I came here, but just imagine the village water, it is very bad in the ponds. So, they get affected. But here, this is sometimes become a livelihood. Like the people catch fish and they sell in the market. Now, if people know that this is a bad fish, nobody will buy it. Number one, I'm sure many people knows it. But at the same time, villagers, they might have nothing will happen. They'll keep taking the fish and whatever water, they'll be using it, and eventually they'll be bad. And I must tell you, all our students, you have a really great feeling of for the people of this country. That's why you have come here in the early morning. I mean, you cannot ask these days students by getting up 4:30, 5 o'clock and 5:30 start this, from the institute, because this generation is different. But I must tell you, you guys are the flag bearer down the line. If not today, tomorrow, whoever is there, which position you are there, the thought process, please keep continue. स्टडी डेफिनेटली डू, पढ़ाई तो आप करोगे, नौकरी भी मिलेगा, यू विल हैव योर ओन फैमिली, बट एट द सेम टाइम the time has come for this country, like every individual has to think, that's my country and I want to do something good. So today we came, all of us gathered here, and then we want to give a very strong message. Actually, I am very uptold. I mean, I tell people in front of us. I mean, when I'll meet the chief minister, I'll tell, sir, please, you have to do something, because if I feel so strong about this river, I'm sure the native people who are staying here, how much they feel actually, how their children's health is get deteriorated. So yeah, I'm so happy to be part of it. Actually today I was supposed to go somewhere, and I changed the plan. I came here and I feel so happy actually. I for a great cause I am here. So I hope eventually will be successful. So my dream is that before I leave Niger, I want to do boating from here to Chilka. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Okay, now let us listen to the local people from here, and I request
उड़िया में बात करिए, मेरे को समझ में आता है।
ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ନାଇଜରର ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶକ ମହାଶୟଙ୍କୁ ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ ଜଣାଇବି। ସୁପ୍ରଭାତ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ, ଅଲ୍ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସୁପ୍ରଭାତ। ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣମାନେ ଏତେ ଦୂରରୁ ସାଇକେଲିଂ କରିକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି, ଗୋଟେ ମହତ୍ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ନେଇ ଆପଣ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି। ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶକ ମହୋଦୟଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଅଛି, ସେ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ କଥା ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଗୋଟେ ବୋଟିଂ ହେବ, ଗୋଟେ ନୌକା ବିହାର ହେବ ଟୁୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ଚିଲିକା। ଚିଲିକା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନୌକା ବିହାର ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଅଛି, ଯେଉଁ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନକୁ ସରକାର ମଧ୍ୟ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିଛନ୍ତି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପ୍ରତିପାଦନ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି। ସାର୍ ସେ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନଟାକୁ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନଟା ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ବୋଧେ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ପୂରଣ ହେବ, କାହିଁକିନା ବୋଧେ ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ ସାର୍ ବୋଧେ ପ୍ରଭାବିତ କରିପାରିବେ। ଇଏ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଇଏ ନଦୀ ଐତିହାସିକ ନଦୀ, ଏହି ନଦୀ କୂଳରେ କଳିଙ୍ଗ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ହେଇଥିଲା, କଳିଙ୍ଗ ୱାର୍, ଏବଂ ସେ ଐତିହାସିକ ନଦୀ ଦୁଃଖ ହେଉଛି ଗଙ୍ଗୁଆ ଏ ନଦୀକି ନଷ୍ଟ କରିସାରିଲାଣି, ମୃତ ପ୍ରାୟ କରିସାରିଲାଣି। ଏ ନଦୀକି ପ୍ରତିଦିନ 562 କ୍ୟୁସେକ୍ ଦୂଷିତ ଜଳ ପଶୁଛି। ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଯେତେ କଚଡ଼ା ଅଛି, ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରର ଯେତେ ନାଳ ନର୍ଦ୍ଦମାର ପାଣି ସବୁ ଏଇ ନଦୀକି ଆସୁଛି। ଏବଂ ନିକଟରେ 2-3 ମାସ ତଳେ ପାଣି ପରୀକ୍ଷା ହେଇଥିଲା, 100 ମିଲି ପାଣିରେ 1,60,000 ଇକୋଲି ଜୀବାଣୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଆପଣ ହଇଜା ଜୀବାଣୁ ଯାହା କହନ୍ତି, ଯାହାଫଳରେ କି କଣାସରେ 4 ଜଣ ଲୋକ ମଲେ। ଖୁବ୍ ନିକଟରେ ମାସେ ତଳେ କଣାସରେ 4 ଜଣ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଡେଥ୍ ହେଇଛି ଏ ପାଣି ପିଇକିରି। ଗାଈଗୋରୁ ଆକ୍ରାନ୍ତ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା, ପେଟଜନିତ ରୋଗ ଗାଈଗୋରୁଙ୍କୁ ହେଉଛି, ଏଠି ଗାଧୋଇଲେ ଚର୍ମ ରୋଗ ହେଉଛି। ଏ ଦୁଃଖ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ କେହି ନାହିଁ। ଯାହା ହଉ, ଏ ନବନିର୍ବାଚିତ ବିଧାୟକ ମହୋଦୟ ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ଆଶ୍ରିତ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ଆସିବା ପରେ ବିଧାନସଭାରେ 2-3 ଥର ଉଠେଇଛନ୍ତି। ବିଭାଗୀୟ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ରବି ନାୟକ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି, ଜିଲ୍ଲାପାଳ ମହୋଦୟକୁ ଆସି ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି, ଏବଂ ଗୋଟେ ଡିପିଆର୍ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ତାଙ୍କର ଚାଲିଛି। ସେ ଡିପିଆର୍ କ'ଣ ନା, ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ୱାଟର ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ହେବ। 40 ଏକର ଜମି ବି ଅଧିଗ୍ରହଣ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟାରେ ଅଛି। ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ବୋଧେ ଖୁବ୍ ଶୀଘ୍ର ସେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ବୋଧେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେବ, ଏବଂ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ପ୍ରଚେଷ୍ଟା ତ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଅଛି, ରହିବ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ। ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ ବୋଧେ ଦେଖା ହେବେ କହିଲେଣି, ଯାହା ମୁଁ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲି। ତେଣୁ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ପୂରଣ ହେଉ, ନୌକା ବିହାରଟେ ହେଉ, ଆମେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଖୁସି ହେବୁ। ଯାହା ହେଉ, ବହୁତ ଦିନର ଆମର ବି ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଥିଲା, ଏ ଯେଉଁ ବାଣିଜ୍ୟ ପରିବହନ ହେଉଥିଲା, ଚିଲିକାକୁ ବାଣିଜ୍ୟ ପରିବହନ ଏଇ ଦୟାବାରରେ ହେଉଥିଲା ନା, ଯେଉଁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଲୁଣଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ଯେଉଁ ମାନେ ତେଜରାତଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ଯେଉଁ ସୌଦାପତ୍ର ଯେଉଁ ବୁହାବୋହି ସବୁ କରୁଥିଲେ, ସେଇ ନଦୀରେ କରୁଥିଲେ, କାଠରେ ଭେଳା କରି ଏଠି କରୁଥିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟା କେମିତି ପୂରଣ ହେବ, ସେ ସାକାର ହେଉ। ମୁଁ ଏତିକି କହି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଜଣାଉଛି, ଶୁଭକାମନା ଜଣାଉଛି, ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ ଜଣାଉଛି। ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ।
ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ।
ଆପଣ କିଛି କହିବେ? ସେ ସାର୍ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଗାଁ ବାସିନ୍ଦା କାକୁଡ଼ିଆର। How many of you Odia?
कुलपति को नमस्कार।
Okay, only one. No one. So,
सर जो बोल रहे थे,
Can you
हमारा
understand
बचपन इधर गुजर गया है।
Yes,
इतना अच्छा था हमारा बचपन का समय, वो अगर हम अभी सोच रहे हैं ना, वो दुख दे रहा है मन को, क्योंकि हमारा अगले जो जनरेशन आ रहे हैं वो उसको महसूस भी कर नहीं पा रहे, क्योंकि हम इधर उसको भेजते नहीं, क्योंकि इसका पानी इतना गंदगी हो गया है। अगर वो बच्चे लोग आएंगे इधर से नहाएंगे तो क्या होगा ना, उनको बहुत सारे डिजीज़ होता है। तो इसीलिए हम उसको भेजने के लिए भी हम प्रस्तुत नहीं हैं। हमारा बचपन इधर गुजर गया, मगर हमारा न्यू जनरेशन जो आ रहे हैं इस पर उनको ज़्यादा क्या फ़ायदा होने चाहिए, मगर वो उनको हम भेजते नहीं इधर, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं इधर अगर वो आएंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम आएगा हमारा ऊपर। तो सर जी ने बोल रहे हैं जहाँ जो उनका स्वप्न है, और सर जी ने जो प्रस्तुत किया है, जो ब्लूप्रिंट प्रस्तुत किए है, अगर वो साकार हो जाएगा तो इधर का हमारा गांव नहीं, ये नदी के ऊपर लगभग 400 से 500 विलेज डिपेंड होता है। 3 ब्लॉक डिपेंड इस नदी से ऊपर होते हैं। 3 ब्लॉक, पिपली, कणास और डेलांग, ये 3 ब्लॉक का लोग उससे फ़ायदा पाएंगे। जो हमारा अंकल जी ने जो बोले, जो व्यापार यहाँ से हो रहा था ये नदी के जरिए, ये एक ही माध्यम था वाणिज्य करने के लिए, क्योंकि लोग जो नीचे जाएंगे तो जो उनके वहाँ पर क्या है ना, लोकेशन क्या कम्युनिकेशन ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं होता है उस समय। वो इधर से क्या करते हैं ना, नौकर से जो बोट से सब्जी लाते थे, किराना का सब्जी सब वगैरह वगैरह सब कुछ इधर से ही ट्रांसपोर्ट होता था। मगर ये समय के ये से ये ख़राब हो गया। इधर से लोग बोट चलाने के लिए भी डरते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें पानी इतना गंदगी हो गया, वो स्मेल इतना ज़्यादा होता है। वो उसमें क्या होता है ना, वो डरते हैं, उसमें बोटिंग करने के लिए भी डरते हैं। उसका तो जो फीस होता है उसको खाना तो बहुत दूर की बात है। यहाँ से हम नहाने के लिए भी 5 बार सोचते हैं। तो आशा करेंगे जो अगर साथी का स्वप्न पूरा होगा तो हम सब इससे फ़ायदा पाएंगे। कुछ ऐसा लगेगा नहीं हम नेशन के लिए कुछ किए हैं। ये भी रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा सर की, और एक बार रिक्वेस्ट हम करेंगे गांव के तरफ से, इस लोकल के तरफ से। सर आप जो बोल रहे हैं, चीफ मिनिस्टर हो या जल मंत्री हो, उनके से बात कीजिए और इसका समाधान थोड़ा कीजिए। धन्यवाद।
So Dr. Saurabh, as a biologist, what is your opinion on this?
नहीं, मैं तो सर और आप सबको यही बोलूँगा कि ये हम डेवलपमेंट का शॉर्ट टर्म इम्पैक्ट देखें, ठीक है, वी आर हैविंग गुड रोड्स, वी आर हैविंग इंडस्ट्रीज़, बट लॉन्ग टर्म अगर इफ़ेक्ट देखेंगे तो ये सब चीज़ें हमें ये हाईली इम्पैक्ट अवर लाइफ, द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ वी आर लिविंग। और जैसे इन्होंने बताया, यहाँ के जो लोकल लोग हैं उन्होंने बताया, यहाँ पर वो रिक्रिएशन करने आते थे, तो बच्चों का सोचिए मेंटल हेल्थ कितना अच्छा होता होगा उस टाइम पे। आजकल हम लोग बड़े बड़े पार्क्स में जाते हैं या ढूंढते हैं, मॉल्स में जाके पीस ऑफ माइंड ढूंढते हैं, पर
वाटर पार्क जाना पड़ता है 1000 रुपये देकर।
सोचिए जब बच्चे यहाँ पर रोज आ सकते हैं तो उनका मेंटल इम्पैक्ट कितना है, मेंटल हेल्थ कितना अच्छा होगा, उनकी प्रोडक्टिविटी कितनी अच्छी होगी। और जब आप साफ़ सुथरा यहाँ से फिश लेके जाएंगे, खाना खाएंगे, एक अच्छे एनवायरनमेंट में रहेंगे, तो आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी कितनी बढ़ जाएगी। सो अगर आप इसका ओवरऑल एक इम्पैक्ट देखें कि ठीक है हम इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन कर रहे हैं, पोल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है, वो सब चीज़ें हो रही हैं, बट अगर ओवरऑल इम्पैक्ट देखें तो दिस इज़ नॉट ट्रू डेवलपमेंट। ट्रू डेवलपमेंट है कि हम सबका साथ सबका विकास, जैसे हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर बोलते हैं। सो अभी ये कंसेप्ट है एक वन हेल्थ का, वन हेल्थ के कंसेप्ट के बारे में जानते हैं आप। सो आप अपनी हेल्थ को अकेला सोच के नहीं देख सकते, ठीक है। वन हेल्थ में मीन्स एनवायरनमेंट, एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमन बींग्स, तीनों का जो हेल्थ है वो आपस में जुड़ा हुआ है, ठीक है, को रिलेटेड। सो वन हेल्थ के कंसेप्ट में आपको एनवायरनमेंट को भी साफ रखना है, देन अपने एनिमल्स जो हैं, क्योंकि एनिमल्स के साथ आप कंटिन्यूसली टच में रहते हैं, कांटेक्ट में रहते हैं, उनसे बहुत सारे फूड प्रोडक्ट्स लेते हैं, तो आपके एनिमल भी हेल्दी होने चाहिए और आप भी हेल्दी होनी चाहिए, तभी हम ओवरऑल जो है एक हेल्दी नेशन को बना सकते हैं। सो आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी सैड, क्योंकि जब मैं वहाँ से आया साइकिलिंग करते हुए तो जो पेड़ों की छाँव में मैंने देखा और इतनी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी आई, बट जैसे ही इस यहाँ पर हम लोग एंटर किए तो जो रिवर की स्मेल आई, it was not a pleasant experience, but I see a lot of potential कि yes we can do something together, we can do something, and maybe before director sir leaves this place, we'll together go to Chilika from this place. Thank you.
Okay, I think among the students, tell something. बताओ. क्या जो भी फील करते हो?
अपन से स्टूडेंट
हमारे जो पत्थर से
थोड़ा साइकिलिंग कर ले, थोड़ा मजा कर ले, इसके लिए नहीं, क्योंकि हम जहाँ से भी आते हैं हम सबके घर के आसपास ऐसा कोई ना कोई रिवर होगा ही। जैसे मैं कोलकाता के आसपास से आता हूँ, वहाँ पर विद्याधरी एक रिवर है, सेम सिचुएशन। सारे जगह में जहाँ जहाँ रैपिड इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन हुआ है, शहर का ग्रोथ हुआ है, सब जगह सेम कंडीशन है रिवर्स का। तो हमें डेडिकेटेडली एज एवर सिटीजन ऑफ द कंट्री वी हैव टू डेडिकेट आवर टाइम टू रिजर्व आवर वाटर रिसोर्सेज ऑफ द कंट्री। ये हमारा संकल्प होना चाहिए, सिर्फ कोई एक्सपीडिशन का काम नहीं।
मतलब नदियों को हम अपनी माँ की दर्जा देते हैं, लेकिन हम नदियों की हम वो की प्रोटेक्शन नहीं कर पा रहे, उसकी उधर ही गंदगी फैला रहे हैं बस एक मतलब एक आस्था के नाम पर। लेकिन हमको नदी को ऐसे पूछना चाहिए, एक गंदगी कलेक्ट करके मतलब उसको साफ़ रख के, साफ़ एकदम क्लीन, तब हम कह सकते हैं हाँ हमने माँ की देखभाल की। तो वही है कि मतलब आप अपना समय दें, नदी को आप लिखे, ईमेल लिखे, आप ट्विटर में किधर भी, कि आप अवेयरनेस फैलाएं कि ये नदी है, ये आप इनको क्लीन करें, मतलब ऐसी गंदगी हो रही है। मतलब डेवलपमेंट तो होनी चाहिए, पर उसके साथ हम उसका कोलेटरल डैमेज नहीं कर सकते। तो वही, थैंक यू।
Very beautiful. If you look at that point, there's a temple there. The site looks really good, but when it comes to the bottom part, the river itself is quite polluted. It's quite blackish. And the thing is, the flow of the river has also been constricted. So just think about the marine life that lives in here. The the fish that come in and go out of this part of the river, and the smell. So you can say that the algae has also spread quite badly. The biochemical oxygen demand of the river might also be very less. So it's about time that we take a step into saving the river. And there's a lot that can be done.
ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟା